In an era of efficiency and innovation, public sector organizations are embracing AI to redefine governance. Welcome to the future of public service, powered by AI intelligence. AI-powered solutions like Copilot, designed to automate responses, simplify complex tasks, and enhance productivity. With AI, public sector organizations are achieving remarkable results. Users report a 70% increase in productivity, saving over 30 minutes daily, and a 68% improvement in work quality. Even creativity sees a 57% boost. Not sure where to start? Click2Cloud drives public sector transformation. We assess AI readiness, demystify its benefits, and ensure seamless integration. Our AI-driven Migration Factory and AI Center of Excellence services help identify high-impact use cases, map user personas, project financial benefits, and deliver tailored demonstrations. From readiness assessments to continuous support, we deliver measurable outcomes at every stage. Imagine a public sector where operations are modernized, employees are empowered, and citizens receive faster, smarter services. This is the future of governance, and it begins with AI. Ready to pioneer the next era of governance? Explore Click2Cloud's AI-driven solutions and unlock the full potential of AI. Let's build a smarter, more efficient public sector together.